Hey guys, happy Friday. We're here to do morning work 10.5 and it is Friday, May 1st. Okay guys, we've got some of our kind of traditional addition up at the top again. So remember when we do traditional addition, we have our tens and our ones and we always want to add our ones place first. So I'm going to add 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, now I don't have a group of 10 that I need to carry, so I'm going to just X that out. Okay, I have 1 plus nothing here is 1. Okay, I'm going to skip over that one because I know you can do that one on your own. We're going to do this one. We're going to practice, do one more where we have to carry. Okay, so I've got my 10s and my 1s. Okay, now if it helps, what you could always do is cover up your tens place first to make sure that you're just looking at your ones, okay? That's another strategy that you can use. But, so if I look at my ones place, I have a 3 and an 8, and I know that 3 plus 8 is 11. Well, I can't put 11 down here, okay? So what I want to do is I'm just going to come over my scratch paper that I've been using, and I'm going to think of the number 11 as a 10 and a 1, okay? Well, I know with a 10, I need to carry that over to the tens place, okay? I need to make a trade and move it over for my shiny new long, okay? And so over here, I'm gonna bring that over to my tens place, okay? And then now I still have that 1 left over. So my 1 I will put down here. So I have my 10 and 1, which is 11, okay? Then over in my tens place, I have a 1 plus a 2, and that's going to give me 3. Okay, so give the rest of these a try. You don't have to cross out the box if you don't want to, but on the ones where I don't need it, I just find it crossing out the box is a good reminder for me. Okay, so here we need to circle the coins that match the price. Okay, so this cheeseburger costs, I guess it's a cheeseburger at least, costs 80 cents. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little hint. These are all quarters. These are all dimes, and these are all nickels. So what coins could you use, together to make 80 cents? Now, there could be more than one combination, okay? Whatever you do is up to you, but show me how you could make 80 cents by circling the coins. You don't have to circle them all together, but you can circle individual coins that add up to 80 cents. Over here, Darlene has 3 quarters and 3 nickels. What balloon can she buy? So what I want you to do is over here to the side, I want you to draw 3 quarters and 3 nickels. Then you're going to add that amount of money together, okay? And can she buy the balloon that costs 92 cents or can she buy the balloon that costs 90 cents? You'll circle whichever balloon she can. Down here, write the synonym for the words below. Remember, a synonym is a word that means almost the same thing, okay? So over here we have shore, talk, fish, picture, toss, and smell, okay? Now the words that we have to find the synonyms for are shark, throw, photo, whiff, beach, and chatter, okay? I'll pick 2 to do with you. Let's do whiff. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of this word, whiff. When you whiff something, or you might catch a whiff of something when you walk by a skunk. So use that hint. If you catch a whiff of something when you walk by a skunk, what word do you think might mean the same as whiff? Well, that's going to be smell. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write smell next to whiff, and then I'm going to cross it out. Okay? And then how about maybe this one, chatter, okay? So you might call somebody a chatterbox, and that means that they talk a lot. So another word for chatter could be talk. So I'm going to write down talk, and then I'll cross it out up there, okay? I'm going to have you do the rest of them. Okay, there's 4 more. Then down here, what is splashing in the ocean? Thought a Joseph was dolphin, shark with a period, saw it but a, okay? Well, when I look here, I see that the only word that has a capital letter is the name Joseph. So I know that that's going to have to be my first word. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write Joseph here, and then you can go ahead and figure out what the rest of the sentence is. So At this point, go ahead and pause your video to do your work. And when you come back, we'll go over the answers. If you're not sure of something, leave it blank and you can fill it in when we go over it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go over the rest of the problems. Now, we skipped over this one here because this was one where you didn't need to carry. So we had 0 plus 6 is 6, and we didn't have any 10s to carry over, so we have 2 plus nothing is 2. We did this one together. Over here, 14 plus 7. Well, when I do 7 plus 4, I get 11. So just like I did over in this one, I'm going to bring my 10 up here, and I'm going to put my 1 that I have left over down here. So then I have 1 plus 1 is 2 in the tens place, so 21 is our answer. 8 plus 4 is 12, so I have my 10 from that up here, and my 2 that are left over down here. And then my 1 plus 1 in my tens place is 2 tens, so the answer is 22. Over here, 7 plus 5 is 12. I put my 10 from there up here, and I put my 2 down here. And then when I add my 10s together, I have 1 10 and 2 10s, which gives me 3 10s for 32. Okay? Over here, we needed to make 80 cents with the coins here. Now, there are a number of choices you could have done. I did my 3/4 for 25, 50, 75, and then I knew 5 more would give me 80, okay? You could have done 2/4, 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 3 dimes. You could have done, let's see, okay, you could have done this 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70, 75, 80. You could have done that. So lots of different choices there. I picked the one that used the least amount of coins. Okay, so Darlene has 3/4 and 3 nickels. Which balloon can she buy? So I drew them out. So I have my 3/4 and my 3 nickels. So I have 25, 50, 75. Well, I get 75 plus 5 more is 80, 85, 90. So this one costs 92. She can't buy that one. It's too much. But she does have 90 cents, so she can buy that one right there. Okay? Down here, we had to find some words that meant almost the same thing, which are synonyms. We did a couple of them together. So for shark, another word that they had was fish. Now, I usually think of a shark as being much bigger than a fish, but it is a type of fish, I suppose. The word throw can also mean toss. That was another one. The word beach can also be shore. So you might say, oh, we're gonna go to the shore. And that really could mean the beach. Photo can also mean a picture, and we did talk and smell together, okay? And the last one, what is splashing in the ocean? Joseph thought it was a dolphin, but saw a shark, okay? So here are your answers for morning work 10.5. Great job, everyone.